question. What are your thoughts on the importance of work-life balance? Yan, maraming ganyan, no? Katulad sa Japan, grabe sila, parang hindi na sila nag-uusap, parang hindi sila makapag-eye to eye na talagang they really communicate. Anyway, going back to that, if you are an entrepreneur, negosyante ka, you will never think about work-life balance because what gives you happiness and dopamine is what? The results of your business is growing. Minsan ng mga negosyante, papuntahin mo sa bakasyon, mas iniisip ang negosyo nila kahit nasa bakasyon. Kaya pag uwi nila galing bakasyon, nagkakaroon sila ng bagong ideas. That is entrepreneurship. Yan yung mga negosyante. Pero yung mga taong nag-work, kailangan nila ng work-life balance. Why? It's because number one, maybe they want to have more happiness in their lives. They want to break free. Dito naman tayo padagat-agat naman. Diba? Shot. Why? Because they want to escape from their reality. Because they don't want their reality. If you feel that you feel na, kailangan mo ng work-life balance, always remember, if you are someone who's working, make sure to dive deep. Bakit kailangan mo ng work-life balance? Kasi gusto ko ng next level sa buhay ko. And that is the reason why a lot of employees ay nagne-negosyo na, nagiging negosyante na. Because ayaw na nila dun sa dati nila Because they want more happiness in their lives. And yung mga negosyante naman, ito yung mga, sige, isang buhusan na trabaho para pagdating ng panahon, masarap magbakasyon pag hindi mo na iniisip ang negosyo mo. And regarding work-life balance, ang mga negosyante, again, they are so happy with the development of their team, of their community, of their business, sa growth na meron sila. They are for big rewards because of big hustle. You know, you're working not just